Hi guys, good morning. So again, it's really nice morning in Golden. We ate something and something yesterday, so it's not really feeling good, but it should be okay in a while. And I got up, I took shower, and half of the people are ready, and now my brother is getting ready, and we will be going to Icefield Parkway today. We will be going to BowLake, Peyto Lake, and then Skywalk. So stay with me. It will be really exciting because I have seen those pictures and things. It looks really amazing. Of course, it's BAM, so it's really nice. So just stay with me. Come with me. So now everybody's having breakfast and things, and there's nice music going on behind. And we have rice breakfast. Guys, we're all picking our stuff from here, and we're leaving this BNB today. We are heading out to Jasper. So yeah, we are. It's kind of rush, but guys, it's really nice morning. Look at this view, and we're leaving this view today. We're going to miss it. And I have garbage and my bag with me. Everybody is heading out now, so I'll just throw this garbage and then we'll head out. Guys, I'm sitting on back seat and everybody is enjoying the ride. And I won't be able to vlog too much because I'm sitting on back seat. But stay tuned, it will be fun. It's getting really nice day, guys. It's getting brighter, so I hope it stays like this. We don't want any more rain. Guys, we're here at the gas station to fuel up our car. So if you are traveling here in Banff area or Alberta, make sure you fuel up your car before going anywhere because you won't really get so many gas station over here, and it's kind of tough. So it's better to fuel it up before you go. So.
Kilometer. Turn right onto the ramp.
Guys, usually to drive on Icefield Parkway, you need to get that highway pass. But because this summer everything is free, all the national parks you can go without any tickets. So that's good part. We didn't need to buy it today, so it's free for us. Guys, we reach here at the BowLake and look at this view behind me. It's insane. It's really amazing view. Guys, this lake is right in front of this main highway, so you don't have to walk. It's just you park your car right over here and then you can see this view behind and take pictures, whatever. It's just really nice. Guys, it's really cold over here. Like, I didn't expected this much of cold, but yeah, it is really cold because we are getting closer to the Icefield Parkway, and I'm wearing hoodie and there is one inner. Still I'm feeling cold. I think I have to put one more on it. So yeah, when you come on this side, just make sure you have enough clothes to put on, or else you can get sick. It's getting a little brighter. Okay guys, so I'm just walking down from the main road BowLake to this way just to see lake from the surface. Guys, there's literally nobody here. Look at this view behind me, and there is nobody. Everybody is on the top on the highway taking pictures, and they're missing this spot. Look at this view. It's insane, and guys, it's getting busier now. It's around 12.
વિઝિબલ એવું કરીને લખ્યું પણ નેશનલ પાર્કના પાસ તો આપતા નહીં તો ક્યાંથી લેવાની પરમિટ એવું કે નેશનલ પાર્કના પાસ લો ને એની અંદર જ પરમિટ હોય છે.
Guys, we have arrived here at the Peyto Lake. Guys, this place is also getting crowded a little bit now, and it's getting noon. That's why everybody is like, it's hard to get parking here. We're just walking on the trail. It's 0.6 kilometer from here, so we'll just walk here. Everybody's trekking here too. Guys, this is really weird trek to Peyto Lake. It's just on a high. People are already coming back from the Peyto Lake. Guys, so this is Peyto Lake and it's really amazing. It looks literally blue color of water and there are some people here. It's getting rush hours, so I think that's why there are so many people here, but it's really nice. It looks really good. Guys, we're heading back now to Icefield Skywalk finally, so I'll see you over there.
યસ શ્રેયાબેનને શું છે સેવ કરેલું છે ને હા ખાલી સ્ટાર્ટ પોઈન્ટ જ નાખવાનો
ઓકે મંચુરિયન કોને ખાવું છે
આઈસફિલ્ડ
મંચુરિયન કોને ખાવું છે મંચુરિયન
Guys, we're here finally. Actually, I'm breathing heavily because I ran. We're getting late and my crew is still in the parking. So I had to be here quickly so I can show my pass and they allow us because they won't accept even though we are 1 minute late. So guys, it looks crowded over here. I'm just heading out at the front desk. So this is the lineup. I have to go and show them tickets. So guys, we are late for our tour. It's supposed to start at 1:15, but here we are here. It's almost 1:55. So I'm here at the ticket station. So they will help me out with changing time. Probably, hopefully, they will help us because it's too expensive and we cannot afford to come back again. Guys, my brother changed timing already because he knew that we will be late here, but it didn't work because of internet probably. So at the front desk she changed our timing and we'll be going there at 3 now. So we'll wait till 3. It's almost an hour we are waiting here. So guys, as we have to wait here till 3, so we came here upstairs on the restaurant and my sister-in-law, she got some fries. It's really nice restaurant upstairs. You can just come. There is also party outside. You can just relax it. It's really nice place. Guys, we are going to go now for Icefield finally and going to go on Ice Explorer. It will be fun.
cái này không phải lái 22 countering
4, 6, 32, 4.
Guys, we are in bus and they will take us to the area where we will get Snow Explorer now and then we will hop on the Snow Explorer and then I'll take you out there. So stay with me.
Try not to get sick of me. I'm gonna just do the rest of this with my voice. Can everyone hear me at the back? Excellent. We're just gonna go through some safety features really quickly. At the very back on the roof is an emergency exit hatch in case the bus seat. You may have already noticed that your seats do not have seatbelts. That's okay. This bus was built without them. But the big red bus, when you get there, those seatbelts are mandatory. So please make sure you buckle up. Alrighty. Any questions?
No.
Are you ready to go?
Yeah.
Alright, say less. Let's go. Folks, enjoy your time out there with Leanne, but please remember to take all of your personal belongings. I may not be your driver later. Everybody has their own. I don't want to get hit either, but if it was a toss-up.
Guys, we're hopping on this big Explorer now. It's really windy here.
The glacier right now is about 9 degrees or 49 Fahrenheit. Just letting you all know. Okay, and some other safety features we have on this bus. There are 2 emergency hatches in the very back on the rooftop. There are 4 windows, 2 on either side.
Guys, we are on glacier finally. And it's windy, but it's really nice.
ये गैस हम आ गए हैं आइस बर्फ लैंड पे। अभी नीचे ऊपर सब जगह पे आइस है।
Guys, it's really nice here. It's just like literally snow everywhere. It's glacier. Guys, also there is fresh water coming out straight from the glacier. Guys, we are all done with the glacier fun over here, and now we are heading out to Skywalk. Right? We are heading out to Skywalk. Another bus will take me to the Skywalk. Okay, thank you. You're welcome.
Beautiful day for us. Well, if you guys came later in the summer, a bit warmer, but also you've got the smoke.
We have come to a skywalk.
Hi. Guys, we have reached here at the Skywalk finally. And one baby is crying over there. Funny, he's rolling on the floor. And it's a really nice view from here. Guys, look at this view from here. We'll be walking over there.
We are coming the skywalk. It's the depth in 2,500 meters.
It's called match.
Yeah. Yo.
Yo, wait. Look away.
Yeah.
Yo.
Guys, we are here at the Skywalk, and now we are going to walk on that glass. Guys, we are all done with Skywalk now, and we are heading out to Hinton now, and we are going to stay over there. So I'll see you over there. My phone is dying, so thanks for watching though. Hi guys, so I'm in Hinton right now. So guys, this is our door, and then as we enter there is washroom over here, right over here, and there is big mirror over here, and then we have two big bed right over here. And sorry for the mess because we just have arrived here, so it's kind of messy. And we also have TV and fridge and microwave, so yeah. And there's also big window right over here, and this is the view. So guys, we all will have pizza now. We have ordered pizza and my brother went to pick it up with my cousin, and everybody is getting fresh now. And it was fun, but it was like a lot of traveling going on today, so it just everybody is kind of tired, so little bit relaxation going on, and then we'll have pizza in a while. We're having pizza now.
હવે આગળ જશે
ના 799 વાળા ટ્રેડ હશે